I didn't do anything, please!
Not going to escape!
Please, this needs to end now! Whoa!
You be quiet.
Oh, this is really sad. It's like I'm excluded. See? Why did they paint me like this? Okay, maybe I don't belong in here. Found you!
So I can
No, honey, why are you doing this?
Come on, you wouldn't know where to hide, right? If we're going to find some fairies today, we'll have to look for clues.
Well, we won't find any footprints.
Fairies are sneaky.
It's fine, I'm going. I guess nobody in this garden wants to be my friend. Are
you all right?
Oh, God! Girl, you need to wake up! I'm not the enemy! Look! We were really fine together! Whoa! Huh? She's out of mind!
What's going on, Uncle Korzik?
Look, don't you remember? We were the freaks of this place, and that difference joined us on this planet.
Hey!
This is unfair, huh? Oh, Oh, Jumbo! Hey, friend! Look at me! Yoo-hoo!
Very sneak. Look! A clue!
Whoa!
We did it! We found a fairy village! Yay! Huh. I don't see any fairies.
What? I think you scared them off.
I love you, kid.
I love you too, kid.